What's going on today? We are out here at Southern Gourmet out here in Plano working on this Honda. They thought it needed a starter, but after diagnosing it, what I think what happened is when they parked it and came to work, the battery died, and when they put a new battery in there, they put it in there backwards because the battery fuse is completely bad, so it may actually not even be a starter. So put my canopy up. Now we got the new fuse. Let's install that with the battery positioned correctly also. Let's see if we actually need a starter or we just had a bad install. And this is the new one. Get them screws. Just need to get the key now and test it out. All right, we got the key now. Leave the starter right there and see if it starts up. It's already a good sign. I hear the old security system going off. Let's see. Oh, look at that. So that's all it was. I gotta get this key situation figured out, that's for sure. But other than that, we're gonna clean up these terminals, we're gonna check this oil, and they'll be able to return that starter they don't need. So that saves like $200 and something right there.